Today, we're diving into my honest experience using Merchify, one of the leading dropshipping platforms in the market. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, it's crucial to choose a platform that suits your needs, and that's what we'll explore in this video. I'll show you exactly how Merchify works, from signing up to setting up your store and integrating with different sales channels. First, when you visit the Merchify homepage, you'll see that they make it really easy to get started. Signing up is quick, and within minutes, you can access the platform's dashboard. The user interface is clean and intuitive, which is a big plus if you're new to dropshipping. One of the standout features of Merchify is the seamless integration with platforms like Shopify and Etsy. You can easily connect your Merchify account to your existing e-commerce store, which saves you time on setup. Once you're inside, you'll notice how simple it is to browse through their vast product catalog. Merchify offers a wide variety of print-on-demand products, including apparel, accessories, and home goods. For each product, you can see clear pricing, profit margins, and customization options. I appreciate how the product customization tools are user-friendly, making it easy to design and personalize your items. The product mockup generator also does a great job of showing you how your designs will look on real products, which is perfect for visualizing your store's inventory. Another feature I really like is the ability to automate most of the processes, such as order fulfillment and shipping. Once a customer places an order, Merchify takes care of the rest. This is crucial for streamlining your business, especially if you're dealing with a high volume of orders. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Merchify offers different subscription plans, each catering to different needs. The basic plan is affordable, especially for beginners, but the higher-tier plans unlock more features, such as premium product selections and faster processing times. Merchify also provides detailed analytics, which is essential for tracking your store's performance. You can monitor sales, profit margins, and other key metrics directly from the dashboard. This makes it easy to adjust your strategy and improve your business over time. However, no platform is perfect. While Merchify offers many great features, there are a few areas that could use improvement. The support team response time could be faster, and the product catalog, while vast, could include a few more niche items. Overall, Merchify is an excellent platform for anyone looking to start or scale their dropshipping business. The combination of ease of use, integration capabilities, and automation makes it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced entrepreneurs. If you're considering using Merchify, I hope this review helped you understand what to expect. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and e-commerce tips.